Well, we just hit our 4-year mark, which we're very, very proud of. We opened in August of 2019, having no idea what was coming. So those COVID years were really hard for us as a fledgling restaurant. They were hard for so many restaurants across the country, but we made it through, and now we're thriving here on Walnut Street. I mean, we just have the most wonderful people that work with us, great hospitality, but also a really big emphasis on high quality food and drink. So we really focus on the things that we like to eat and drink: cocktails, beer, natural wine, and food with local products, but also a lot of technique and a lot of knowledge. Our staff and ownership team, our senior staff and ownership team, between the 6 of us, have over 100 years of restaurant experience. So we have just a really stacked crew. At Timber, we really focus on trying to craft a menu that allows you to sort of choose your own adventure. So we definitely have some classics that are staples here that people love, like our amazing chicken sandwich and our burger, our trout spread, our smoked ice cream. Those things have been on the menu since day one, but the rest of the menu is always changing with the seasons and the new products and ideas that we get. So that keeps things fresh and vibrant. And as a neighborhood restaurant, we really want to be a place where you would feel comfortable coming twice a week and could find something new and different. And so that's a big part of our ethos. Well, Timber's a really special place. You know, we're a neighborhood restaurant here in the Tree Streets, where I live myself with my family. And so many of our employees live here in the Tree Streets as well, and of course in Johnson City. Timber exists for a couple reasons. One, we want to bring the outside in. If you felt like maybe you could only get this kind of food in Asheville or Knoxville, that's how we felt when we opened the restaurant, started on this journey 5 or 6 years ago. And so we really wanted to bring super high quality, fresh, chef-driven food to this area, as well as just amazing cocktails. And our chef Josh Plesh and our amazing bartender, bar manager Brandon Dow, just really bring their skills to the table in that regard. But I think one of the other things that makes Timber so special is that it's a neighborhood place. I like to describe us as a fine dining restaurant trapped in a casual restaurant's body, because so many of us have fine dining experience, but that's not what we're trying to do. We're trying to have a neighborhood place where you feel comfortable coming twice a week and can afford to come a lot, as opposed to being a special occasion or a day place only. Come see us at Timber.